Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Messages or Settings to create a Memoji on your iPhone. Tap the Compose button or Profile to start. Choose Create New Memoji and pick Skin, Hair, and Eye options. Adjust accessories like glasses, hats, and piercings until you are satisfied. Use the front camera or Face ID to capture facial movement and expressions. Tap Done to save the Memoji to your profile library for immediate use in apps, and open Messages or the camera with your Memoji selected to record a clip. Press the Record button and perform the expression or gesture you want. Stop recording and tap the Share icon to reveal export options. Choose Save Video to keep an animated clip in Photos. For static stickers, tap the Sticker option and save image to Photos. Confirm the media appears in Photos before switching to Instagram for posting. Open Instagram and swipe to the camera to create a story, reel, or post. Tap the gallery icon and select the saved Memoji video or sticker from Photos. Use Add Media or the Sticker tool to place the Memoji onto your scene. Pinch to scale and drag to position it over faces or backgrounds. For Reels, trim the Memoji clip and set its duration precisely. Tap Share to post as a story, reel, or send the Memoji in a direct message to others.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.